one day go up to the letters. I'm trying to move the product, and when I go to the letter, when go on the second level, I can breathe normal, and my body stop. You feel like short circuits. ¿Cómo?
Short circuit?
Sí, como cortos circuitos así. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Like shocks?
Shocks. My partner, Julie, she told me something, but the truth, I don't believe it. But I'm just going home, I'm checking the computer, oh my goodness, start to compare the symptoms. When my symptoms, I'm thinking, oh my God, maybe this is something bad. Before I have this problem, I go to the park, play football, play everything with my kids. My kids is very, they have a lot of sports. Yeah, I like the sports and go together and play. Right now, I'm only go with them. I'm seeing only see they play, or I can do nothing.
I still feel like he has lost the capacity that he has to be happy. He used to be always happy, and now he suddenly has changes from being happy to being upset or to be depressed.
I feel bad every day. All day have pain. All day have pain right here. Esa es la razón por qué quiero luchar para no sentirme mal.
¿Cómo?
Que esa es la razón que quiero luchar para no sentirme mal. Mis hijos y ella.
So that's the reason that I keep fighting to not feel bad, is for my kids and for my wife.
Pero todos los días tengo dolor, todos los días algo me siento diferente.
Every day I have pain. Every day something feels different.